Hello friends and welcome back to the Technician channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG 34U530A-W. It's a 34-inch 21:9 ultra-wide IPS monitor. So friend, LG's new 34-inch ultra-wide monitor built around 21:9 IPS panel at 2560 into 1080 pixel resolution, and the extra horizontal space about one third wider than the standard 1080 resolution. So friend, the making it easier to keep two windows side by side or view an entire spreadsheet on the go. So friend, the color performance is solid. This panel hits 99% of the sRGB spectrum, which means what you see on the screen is a pretty accurate representation of standard digital color, and the brightness of 400 cadmium per meter square and contrast ratio of 1000 Gem 1, and motion handling is good for productivity monitor, 5 ms creative response time and 100 Hz refresh rate. And the monitor comes with two 7-watt speaker with MaxxAudio tuning, and it won't to be replaced a desktop speaker system but for a watching YouTube clip or movie on the side. So friend, the connectivity features including DisplayPort, HDMI, USB Type-C, and LG doesn't specify USB Type-C power delivery. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.